Welcome to Motorsports Menia, your go-to channel for car reviews, detailed specs, and expert insights into the world of automobiles. Whether you're a casual driver, a gearhead, or someone searching for your next vehicle, this is where you'll find comprehensive coverage of everything on wheels. Today, we bring you a full breakdown of the 2026 Honda CR-V, a compact SUV that continues to evolve while staying true to its reputation for practicality, efficiency, and everyday usability. The 2026 Honda CR-V enters the market as a well-rounded and refined crossover that builds upon the strengths of its predecessor. With updated styling, enhanced technology, and an even more efficient hybrid powertrain, it aims to remain one of the top choices in its class. From the outside, the CR-V adopts a more aggressive and modern design language. The front fascia is sharper with a bold grille, slim LED headlights, and a cleaner, more aerodynamic silhouette. It has a wider stance and a slightly longer wheelbase, which not only gives it a more confident look but also benefits interior space. Under the hood, the 2026 CR-V offers two engine options. The standard powertrain is a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces around 190 horsepower and 179 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a continuously variable transmission that provides smooth acceleration and optimized fuel efficiency. For those looking to minimize their carbon footprint without sacrificing performance, the hybrid variant combines a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine with two electric motors, delivering a total output of about 204 horsepower. This setup offers brisk performance while improving fuel economy significantly, making it an ideal option for daily commuters and families alike. The driving experience in the 2026 CR-V is balanced and composed. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on highways, the ride feels quiet and comfortable. The suspension has been fine-tuned to absorb bumps more effectively, and steering remains light but precise, making it easy to maneuver in tight spots. Honda has also worked on cabin insulation, which helps in reducing road and wind noise for a more relaxed driving environment. The hybrid model benefits from regenerative braking and an EV mode that allows short trips on electric power alone at low speeds. Inside, the CR-V is roomier than ever. The slightly extended wheelbase translates into more legroom for rear passengers and a larger cargo area. The cabin materials have been upgraded across the board, with soft touch panels, contrast stitching, and a clean, modern dashboard layout. The overall build quality feels solid and durable, which has always been a Honda hallmark. The front seats are supportive and come with available heating and ventilation features. Rear seats now offer a reclining function, enhancing comfort for long journeys. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 CR-V. At the center of the dashboard is a 10.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system that includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface is faster and more intuitive, with crisp graphics and customizable widgets. A digital instrument cluster provides essential driving information, and higher trims come with features like a head-up display and a premium 12-speaker Bose audio system. There is also wireless device charging, multiple USB-C ports, and onboard Wi-Fi connectivity, ensuring everyone stays charged and connected on the go. Safety is another strong area for the new CR-V. Every model now comes standard with Honda Sensing, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and road departure mitigation. The system has been enhanced for 2026 with improved sensors and quicker response times. Additional features like blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera are available on higher trims, making the CR-V one of the safest options in its category. Fuel economy remains one of the biggest draws for CR-V buyers. The hybrid model delivers exceptional mileage, expected to be well over 40 miles per gallon in combined driving conditions. Even the non-hybrid turbo version returns competitive numbers thanks to engine efficiency and aerodynamic improvements. Whether you're commuting to work or heading out on a road trip, the CR-V is designed to go the distance while saving money at the pump. Honda also continues to offer several trim levels to suit different needs and budgets. From the well-equipped base model to the more luxurious touring and rugged Sport L trims, there's a CR-V for every kind of driver. Each variant offers distinct exterior styling elements, wheel designs, and unique interior features. Buyers can also choose between front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations depending on their driving conditions and preferences. The 2026 Honda CR-V continues to be a standout in the compact SUV segment by blending reliability, innovation, and everyday functionality. It doesn't try to reinvent the formula but improves on it in all the right areas. Whether you're a solo commuter, a growing family, or an outdoor enthusiast, the CR-V delivers the kind of versatility and dependability that Honda has always promised. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated with more automotive news, deep dives, and honest opinions, be sure to subscribe to Motorsports Menia. More exciting content is coming your way.